Welcome to Heal India Meditation. Today we are going to do meditation on attracting money. So close your eyes, take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale out. And as you inhale the golden color energy inside your body and release out all the stress that is there in your body right now. While you're exhaling, release out all the stress from your body in the form of black color energy. All the stress related to your money is releasing out. As you inhale the golden color energy of prosperity and money. And as you exhale, release out all the stress about money, any kind of fear, anxiety or stress related to money, just release out completely. Keep on inhaling and exhaling out of your mouth. Inhale golden color energy inside and exhale out black color energy. And as you inhale, just visualize this golden color energy is the energy of money and abundance. As you inhale, think about all the things that God has given you. Think about all the materialistic things that you have, that you had bought from this money. Just think about all the good things that you have, all the comfort that you have, your house, your car, your bike, good clothes, a good job, good relationships that you have, and your healthy body. As you inhale the feeling of abundance in each and every cell of your body completely. Keep on thinking of all the things that God has given you. Express gratitude for all the comforts that you have in your life right now. And visualize your aura is filling with the golden color energy. आपका ऑरा गोल्डन कलर के एनर्जी से भर चुका है और पूरी तरह आप इस गोल्डन सर्कल में आ चुके हैं। ये गोल्डन सर्कल दिन ब दिन एक्सपैंड होते जा रहा है और आपकी ज़िंदगी में प्रॉस्पेरिटी और मनी बढ़ते ही जा रहा है। आप चारों दिशाओं से पैसा अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो। यू आर अट्रैक्टिंग मनी फ्रॉम ऑल दी साइड्स। जितना पैसा आपको चाहिए वो आपके ऑरा में आ चुका है, इस गोल्डन सर्कल के अंदर आ चुका है। देखिए आपका ऑरा गोल्डन कलर के एनर्जी से भर चुका है। जिस घर में आप रहते हैं पूरी तरह वो घर गोल्डन कलर के लाइट से भर चुका है। आपके घर में सारी चीज़ें गोल्डन लाइट से भर चुकी हैं। योर होल हाउस इज फिल्ड विद द प्रॉस्पेरिटी एंड मनी एनर्जी। Let this golden light go to all your family members and friends and the people who stay around you in your society. ये गोल्डन लाइट से पूरी तरह अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स को, अपने फ्रेंड्स को और अपने सोसाइटी के लोगों को पूरी तरह ये गोल्डन एनर्जी दे दीजिए। लेट इट स्प्रेड टू ऑल ऑफ देम एंड सी दे आर बिकमिंग रिच एंड प्रॉस्परस। उनकी ज़िंदगी में पैसा बढ़ते ही जा रहा है। Just bless them that they become rich and prosperous. And now visualize all your needs and desires are getting fulfilled. Mother Earth is fulfilling all your needs and desires. You have the capacity to create whatever you want. You have the capacity to create the money that you want in your life. Ask Mother Earth to create that money for you, to fulfill your needs and desires, and to live a comfortable life. Connect with Mother Earth. Visualize you are connected to Mother Earth. Express your gratitude to Mother Earth and ask Mother Earth to fulfill all your needs and desires and create the money that you want to fulfill your needs and desires and live a comfortable life. Keep on asking and keep on receiving from Mother Earth. Mother Earth is responding to you, and all that which you want to lead a comfortable life, all the money that you want is coming in your aura in that golden circle. Keep on seeing the golden circle. Keep on seeing that all the money that you want is already there in your golden circle. You are attracting money from all the directions. Money is coming to you from all the directions. And you have become like a money magnet. Your aura has become like a money magnet. Wherever you go, you are attracting money from all the directions. As you spend your day in your job or in your business, money is flowing to you easily from multiple directions, from multiple sources, and is increasing day by day in your life. Money is increasing day by day in your life. Money is flowing continuously in your life from multiple directions. The whole universe is fulfilling your needs and desires. The amount of money that you want, the whole universe is helping you to create it. The whole universe is waiting for you to ask. Your whole life is filled with success and prosperity. Say thank you to the universe. Say thank you to Mother Earth. And say thank you to your own self. And keep on visualizing all that which you want is already there in the golden circle which is there around you. And slowly